Are you frustrated with the unable to send message error on Messenger? You're not alone. In this video, we'll walk through some quick fix options. Let's look at some common reasons: connectivity problems, app glitches, or perhaps some settings that are misconfigured. First, check your internet connection. Are you on Wi-Fi or using mobile data? A weak signal could impede your messaging. Next, try restarting the Messenger app. First, close it and reopen. Sometimes, a quick reset is all it takes. Ensuring that your Messenger app is updated to the latest version is crucial. Check your App Store for any available updates. Now, let's clear the app cache and data. I'll guide you through how to do this on both Android and iOS devices. Let's also check your Messenger settings. Ensure no restrictions are enabled that could be blocking your messages. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the Messenger app for a fresh start. It can resolve many underlying issues. Lastly, ensure your device's operating system is up to date. Sometimes an outdated system can cause app conflicts. In conclusion, we've covered several steps to fix the unable to send message on Messenger. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to seek additional help.